Welcome back again, and another job. Whew, busy guy today. What we've got now is it's about 100 foot of edge that needs cutting back now. So there's about 25 foot here, and then remainder on that side, and then obviously other side of edge. So we're gonna get all that cut back, have a little bit tidy up inside, see what else needs doing, and then come up with a plan over winter of getting it all replanted, new bark down, that kind of stuff. All good, exciting stuff. So yeah, I'll get some footage of this for you all, because I know you're all excited, and we'll go from there. Take care. Bye bye. So guys, this is the hedge in question. It's all the way down here, all the way back to that point there, and then it goes this part here, that part there, that bit there, front, down the side there. So a nice big edge. So yeah, get some footage and we'll update you later.